water. Hold it tight.
Pouring the sprinkles in.
A little bit more. There we go. Sophia, your turn. Snowflakes.
Now let's do the glitter.
Good job.
Okay.
No, just a little. Okay. Very good.
I'm gonna use all my glitter. Me too.
Okay. Next, let's pick up our characters and put them back inside. You pick up your Olaf and Selena pick up Stitch. Good. Yep, and slip it in carefully.
Slip the top.
Yes, ma'am. There you go. All right, put in Stitch. Good job. Okay. Okay, now pick up your caps and put them on the bottom. Did you get it on?
Yeah.
Is it nice and tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Flip it over and shake it. Flip it over, shake it up, and let it stand there. Wow.
Mr. Doesn't decorate. So glittery. So lit. Whoa. Mine's full. Nothing. It's like a tire snow globe. A tire. Wow, that's a lot of stickers. Yeah, I know. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Is it amazing? Yeah. Hello, I'm Olaf. Whoa, it's like a tornado.
So cute.
It's like the
Let me
round
see
and
you.
round and earth. It's like a tornado.
Ooh.
I love making snow.